Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. As you can see, I did set up screen lock right here, and even though I know it, I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't. So anyway, you want to start off by turning off the device, so simply hold the power key and from there select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Oh, there we go. So once you see this mode right here, you want to let go of the keys, and in here, even though it's barely visible, we have three options. We have recovery mode, we have fast boot mode, and we have normal boot. And you can see this tiny little arrow right here, which signifies which option is selected. And using volume up, you will navigate through these options. As you can see, the arrow will move to point to a different option. You want to have it selected the first one, so make sure that the arrow is at the highest position. So you can just flip through it till you see it jump all the way back up, and then press volume down to confirm that. And this will take you to the recovery mode. So from here, you can use both of the volume keys now to scroll up and down. And with those in mind, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then confirm it with power key. And again, select Factory Data Reset, same way you did before. Confirm that, and you will see formatting data at the bottom. The next thing you should see is Data Wipe Complete, at which point Reboot System now will be selected by default. So all you need to do is simply press power key, I believe, twice. Just wait for this to finish. There we go, data wipe complete, and like I said, Reboot System now is selected by default, so power key, and it automatically reboots. Now this will take a little bit longer the device will take a little bit longer to boot back up, and that is because it is continuing the process in the background right now, so just give it a couple minutes. Once it's completed with whatever it's doing, you should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.